Hello girlies! Let's talk healthy tips. And today, pag-usapan natin yan. First tip, drink lots of water. Mainit sa atin, di ba? And dapat lagi tayong hydrated. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water a day or more. Pampalabas yan ng toxins and it keeps you fresh every day. Next tip, move your body. Hindi naman kailangan mag-gym ka araw-araw. A simple 30-minute walk every day is fine. Or if you prefer dancing, pwede kang mag-dance dyan sa bahay nyo every day. Third one is to eat more veggies and fruits. Alam ko na masarap ang pizza, ang burgers and fried chicken, but let's try to add more gulay and prutas to our meal kasi yan yung may tunay na vitamins and fibers. But other than healthy habits, meron din pwedeng makatulong sa atin to keep us healthy. And that is simply supplements. I have here ascorbic acid or commonly known as vitamin C. This is like a shield for our body. Pinapalakas nito yung immune system natin. Para hindi tayo kaagad magkasakit and maganda din to for glowing and healthy skin. Next is Chanca Piedra, which is parang assistant siya for your kidneys. Traditionally, it is used for kidney health and para makatulong iwasan ang kidney stones. It helps you pee more often, which can prevent bato from forming. Always remember, hindi to kapalit ng tamang pagkain at healthy lifestyle. Of course, isasaban nyo lang to keep you more healthy and more energized. So guys, let us start our healthy lifestyle with Simply Supplements. Get yours now!